station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Right, yenchi obibia, obibia ha, enfambra Okoman 97.1. Ebrason say the Okoman Global Sports afternoon version so eba bedan yeti for and so any achefo eba be share and someone ekoso ewa ya goodie mu oman konkron Ghana ebibrem ene Europe abrochimemu specifically on the FIFA World Cup and also etodwa ewo Qatar no ye de ho nsem dodo na and so e de eba entitemu kuchu na ene woni ye ntena ne yemfa dwumedie no so no emfa embro 1 hour solid ana ene ye de ba from now to 2 p.m. and sana ye ba be sorry so no na ye de ensemo a ene ekoso e wo World Cup na sinyina enso e de ni nyina so no e ba na ye be hwe ensemo awodo na ene ye be kɔ FIFA World Cup round of 16 no ye be kɔ mu ne akɔhwe review of the round of 16 no said ya esiko ya ene yenya 8 teams out of the 16 a womo so etumi qualify from the group stages no na yen so yang etumi ahwe ho nsem ti review of the round of 16 no ye de ho nsem nyina enso ebeba aba sanso ana the preview and I said the forelook of ene no quarter finals ayeka akɔbɔ quarter finals no matches na ayeka akɔbɔ ni nyina ye be hwe the forelooks senia newman so no ebesi akɔ in that round na bibia so etumi aye kama ye ba bebremu e wo the only Africans hope Morocco emodem bo a ene wo mo so ebo wo mo ti Africans so enimu enso e wo Qatar no na chese newman so no e kon kan papa because Africa bre since 1930 a ye share World Cup as no fourth time a yengenya national team from Africa wetumi abebremu enso e wo this particular round no enti mpanifo bekum na yen ahwe sa newman ni nyina ene Africa yen so yen modern bo e World Cup no still a e wo se yen twa yeni enso enhwe ye beba fie na ya behwe efisem kakra Black Stars unim se newman aguso a ekoso Ghana Black Stars wo ma ba fie de but ensem dodo na any other issues are ehia say be address it na ye make a session and said yeah the way forward of the Black Stars of Ghana anyhow in the search for a new manager after the resignation of a penny friend coach Otuado and so eja ejuma na to on the next to take the mantle and so be hwan na ye kɔ na kwan ben so ana ni ye fa na ye de coach a obeteki the Black Stars of Ghana no and so etumi ye de aba ye behwe sansem ni nyina and so elho ye wremu a bosom ba ko a eda yenim ye wremu January a ye kwa kopiemu o Algeria championship of African nations a ye twa ni tie friend chan tournament no the Black Galaxies, the local blasters said they are not yet from Encaneno, and they want me Galaxies, the Black Galaxies. One also preparations to go so coach Anna Walker, and they on a Nabedi Chiri, Kobe Mensa, and the Prosper Nat Ugum, Ekupimu, or Kata, but in the Prosper, with me returning aba, Yabesha preparations, and the players outdoor, and they want Wako Pimu, El Campa, Womugusu preparations ahead of the Chan tournament, and also be to me attack also in January, Algeria. Sanso, and Yabeko Bet Power Ghana Premier League. Bet Power Ghana Premier League just after the Mundial a day before and dia a better cry you 18th of any December a ball World Cup final new year the following day that is the 19th of November and I say December no na ye share Ghana Premier League Bet Power and also I say na ye share until on the 19th na ye share ya twaso first round no na nyoman so etumi akonkan ye be hwe players no nyina na say teams no nyina resume training our players ni bia be back camp ni ade a wo mo preparations enti ye ba be hwe eyi ene many more ana ni egu ponso a ye ba be gibre na ye de ehonsem no nyina enso ede aba ohwemu all the social media platforms a jumedie no so no etwegu especially on Facebook Oremo Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 na dia media gu abonso nyina wonso ode o comment enso etumi eja ho asembia wonso wo bi se bia wonso wetumi ede abasa nso na oremo YouTube adwumede ni twegu Okoman Radio 971 na wonso wetumi adwene feed no amanyoma nso no etumi akonkan executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson bar for the finest sanso ana HOD enso no Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK ene pasoro paradise woman so etemu edi ameji so krobia asantimitem ediama AK the boss player na nyoma so etumi akonkan DJs gibi and so boa ama live streaming of the global sports no so no etumi akoso on your social media platforms Facebook and so any YouTube enti ene entina kopemu se yebe sorry non do mien na bibia etumi ayekama quickly no yebe hye ensem baako mienu a ekoso ewa monone ensem baako mienu a penifo bi nso de atutu gwa ewo World Cup no baako be yesima baako pe esenti uba be yeyin be yesima baako pe na ya hwe entino yenko ne sawo no okay entino na ya hwe na so far yenko amanone na yemfa ensem baako mienu bi embra yekwa akuremu ewo the last 8 World Cup a ekoso enso ewo kata no uremu ewo FIFA World Cup na sia say teams a wo mo etumi uremu ewo the last 8 the quarter finals of the competition no ene draw no bibia nso set ene ye hyase memeda ana ye hyase ana Friday one efiada yes inti efiada ochina enkan ene ne ochina de wamusi ye nyina ye rest Okoman yakwa kopie mu okata abo adwuma enti ene ochina de ye home fiada na yasanso resume na ene ye the quarter finals no enso etumi edi ewrem ama ne oma etumi akonkan ti say teams a wo etumi qualify no say netie Netherlands etumi qualify anso ana Brazil enso qualify England Portugal Argentina, Croatia, France, and Morocco winning 8 teams are Omotumi Abueremu our quarter finals are yet the eba na say ana hye pono ete ana say parents no and so ete Netherlands ebesia Argentina na wamoso etumi abo sanso ana Brazil and so any Croatia efriwa yebenya England and so any France ana Portugal and so any Morocco womo free Africa ha womo so ekono na nyoma so etumi akonkan ye round of 16 no say ana team of the week you know and also etumi eko empany 14 no say players are womo modern ball enso eko nkan pa no yenhwe na yembo wom so abaso say na ete goalkeeper Livakovic ono odemu edema Croatia ono na nei empany 4 unit and modern ball esueni esen Yasin Bono a odemu edema Morocco no ntono ana nei odemu a womo rating no 8.1 ana ono so ne modern ball tumi eboy no Rafael Guerreiro ono na ebo 3 obo edema Portugal ana Thiago Silva so no ebo edema Brazil our central pair no Rodri enso ebo edema Spain ana ne Diego Dalot enso ebo edema Portugal wo mo na complete back 4 no ama nyoma so no konkan 4-4-2 formation ana mpanifo etumi boy into midfield 4 no say netie Dele Blend enso any Dumfries ana wo mo bo as fullbacks say ye corner sa wo mo na ebo ewo benkuma fem ani nifa fem infifi mienu no Brandt friend no Endo osi akadema Japan national team no ana Bruno Fernandes enso no esi akadema Portugal enimo mienu no Kylian Mbappe Latin enso any Brandt friend no Gonzalo Ramos ana ene wo mujinemu enso esi akan no ede ama wo mama nyoma so etumi akonkan Brandt friend no Amrabat ana ne ode betu ga say masa endra game of boy 120 minutes no amount for say and they won't send penny for Casa said doping. One was a brantino. In modern bow boy and drano pan 120 minutes they were running no one call any doping test. And on said their Spanish papers be as started a woman bisa na woman could be a brantin is a sign no Okonya when and also no crown or bano panny near one no you fully fit. So be to me about our game and one class or no cry to me ball 120 minutes in any modern bono esan conkin but Samuel Mana man for Canada and Yadia no Caribbean and so a woman and on Sama Amrabat Sufian or no say a midfielder Edema Morocco and so Ede Atuga Eden Michael Kwabena Hazard and so a captain Edema the Royal Belgian Football Association or a captain Edema wa national team no and they or the Ababe Tuga say nya dia or no so ebeto akoso esia kan Edema Belgium national team ni bi ontin abrante no Eden elete krata 10 ababontin a or no so wetumi retire amanyoma e konkan osia kan no 126 Edema the Belgium national team etumi score 33 goals and so Edema wa mo trophy day and ya do to me AGB at the more minor into no 31 years pepe with Jan and Nade and any BBID go and ya dia obey Juma 2026 World Cup no 34 ne form no as a son ye be convincing obeba na your man's way to me a conkin Ro Ferdinand English legend English legend pa or the ababe to go say ni or share him say France team no and team papa bia o say France team no and team papa bia na we ni team England since official England national team Gary Southgate ekochi team oye ntuma nhye France team fun pa dia obedi ya papa and on nsema ode atuga Lionel Andre Messi ana ne won kwako bisa no so hwe tournament idin any teams are qualify for the quarter finals amount for Argentina ohwe mu pa yefo na ogidi se ombetumi win trophy no o se NDA yemienu pe defending champions France and so any Brazil won no hwe enim se ene won mu betumi win obaako ebefa trophy no and so e de akọ amanyoma and so etumi akonkan ene ne nsema Lionel Messi and so e de atuga afa World Cup no favorite team obetumi lift up the trophy na nyoma so etumi akonkan yi ne kakra ene yefra monone a ye de aba ye ba be hwe nsem dodo na said ya medi ni nyina egugu on ye be hwe na enyoma nso no etumi akonkan na mema abedafo nso akwaba AK ewa ha pa solo paradise enso ewa ha entino mema womo akwaba na nyoma etumi akonkan AK
Krabia.
BBI kama.
BBI kama so BBI.
Oh, about the down.
Okay, fantastic. Na yenchia Okoman etie na yensa mama kwa from 97.1 so omo share live on Facebook and so no. Yenchia na season na ni room festive season no. You know, announce no be answer no but maybe in the Christmas. Maybe in the Christmas.
In the Christmas. And yes, I did be that way. Remember my association be now.
Oh, in the Christmas. I no. In the Christmas. Yes.
Okay. But BBI did the
Oh, Namia Dom. Say I think we muna Kelvin Amponsah Addi and no nya we for ballers we there. BBI come.
Utinu so am fe pa. Utinu hairstyle na am fe pa. Solo
Krobia.
BBI kama.
Oba de Adam. BBI boko.
Oda ye.
O me da ye.
And rana BBI wona kwem.
BBI da na kwem kama.
Okay.
Sound so boko.
Oh, oba de atama. Ni ne mu ide.
O wa hoden pa.
Masa. Ya wa hoden.
Wani mu da ho kama mo. Ti chesa ahoden o.
Ya ma usika nyina na woni ahoden ya masa enkoshi. Yes. You know. E wa hoden ni mu a.
Okay.
Waba. Oba be ejuma.
Sunday.
Okay. Anti no na. Okay, ye be chance say. Ye de ensam ni nyina go ba before then. Yen hwe World Cup no ankasa no round of 16 no because I think say yen a few days be dey discuss said ya tournament no quarter finals no now ye share the review of the 20 round of 16 na ye boy no the last 16 teams no yen 8 out of them. These 8 teams are womo to me progress e dey akọ the next knockout phase no womo modern ball ene dia womo ye ni year womo dey kokoro mu ye wi ana dia ba be hwe the preview the forelook of the edayenim quarter finals no womo akọ remu no the parents no teams no ene said dia ye hwe no crans na e ka be ye 20 minutes bia na ye the 10 minutes bia ba be hwe your local stories no na ye the 10 so ama 84 na ye bie phone lines na won so etumi abemuti no the next 15 minutes. The next 15 minutes, share round of 16, nefe ubia waba share the forelook of the quarterfinals teams, ubia no waba share Morocco as a national team, Morocco as an African contingent, a wɔn nso akɔ akɔpi mu wɔn mmɔdenbɔ any history a wɔn make it ɛnyɛ easy 4 times near feina 4 African nations yɛn etumi akɔ akɔbɔ quarter finals ne sɛ kakra na wɔn kora deɛ potentially wɔn gu so ɛwɔ mu a wɔn bibia kyerɛ sɛ potentially wɔn betumi akɔ semi-finals na bɛyɛ for the first time in the African history ɛnti hwɛ saa nneɛma in the next 15 minutes ɛfa ma.
Okay, so if I'm 15 na shase ana. Okay. All right, Krobia mami chia na mi chia tiefo bi. The FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Onu say ni yabo uremu or the round of 16 yabo we and Osha games are etodwa in the round of 16 na interesting matches and of course so the first round of 16 game etodwa was Netherlands and United States of America. And a boy now Netherlands, US now Ocean 3-1. Yes, on paper now Netherlands look favorite. So we need that game and indeed coach and nearly Louis van Gaal to make sure say and also no able to make ding kunim now we to qualify to the quarter-final stage and indeed to make a convincing victory to make say United States of America by 3-1. Netherlands qualified out of that game against the US, now and Shada and Yamwa because on the paper, now Netherlands Eluki a favorites. The big game, as well to make also it was Argentina and our friends in Australia. Yes, the intermediate this match and I say big game, Ninya and say, Osha the group face now, now faces yes, group face now boy now. Matches Argentina boy and the matches Australia boy, and then my game were very, very tough. Argentina in the first game, Elusia to Saudi Arabia. It was the biggest surprise in the World Cup as at that time. Now, man, for because Argentina per se win the World Cup, Argentina lose against a certain Saudi Arabia, and criticisms, shall say by your ball Messi, your ball other players. But in the second game against Oman and at Mexico, Argentina came back, fought very hard, and won the game by 2-0. Can't get Lionel Messi and Abrante and Enzo Fernandez. Now, in their last match in the group, and I must win for them. You are playing a certain Poland. Meanwhile, not Poland and so then he had draw to qualify. Olusu Krana, no say Olusu on the way on conceded more than 2 goals. And in that game, Argentina did their best and they knew to share Poland by 2-0. Messi, MSA penalty in that game, but I'm more pressure on my team. So the team also came back. And Mutumi Benya 2 goals so they win here. Around Julian Alvarez and I think McAllister and the boss goals. So it was a great game and Argentina qualifying out of their group and then Kaman fulfills in their first 2 after their first 2 matches they will qualify but they take their last 2 games and San Argentina then 8 qualify out of their group. Now also Australia in a group are nominated Denmark, Tunisia and I think the France and a group Denmark, Tunisia and France and Australia and more group. Coming into the World Cup, now you say France are defending champions, yes. Denmark and so you more than more Europe during the qualification. No, the first country to qualify Europe when lose 1 single game, Denmark. And Oche Euro 2021, yeah boy, Denmark could do semi-finals. Now there's a modern money then. So looking at the group of players, the likes of Abrante, Christian Eriksen, Norgard, Damsgaard, and more, Abrante, the Christian Temo, Simon Keja, more, Yuri Posse, more. Their players are now Mujiram so more quality. It's not my fault we at TPM say yes. I'm Yeshe Krano, Denmark, Ebedu, the semi-finals of this year's World Cup. But Kobia and Koban is in the group. Australia lost their first game to France. They lost, I think, 3-1 or 4-1 against France. No, behind him so. And then I say, Atitia Pantam, their next game they are playing against Oman and Tunisia. Definitely, they are going to lose that game. But Kobe and Koban is to me say Tunisia. Every game that they are confidence now and more hopes is almost to qualify out of their group. Their last game was against Denmark. Not Denmark in here. A win to qualify. Denmark and to me win it. Denmark and Australia send 1-0. Australia has 6 maximum points at the qualifier at the few group. A group with and consider with France, Denmark, Tunisia, and Australia. All the connoisseurs, all the pundits, there's all sending and then come from Australia to qualify out of that group. But only to qualify Argentina. Argentina must have game very, very tough and big. But Argentina showing their class, their experience. It's me actually. Oman and the Australia and 2-1. It wasn't an easy game for Argentina. I almost say 2 goals in there. But in the last 15 minutes of that game, Australia actually said, they deserve to qualify out of their group. You know, on consolation. But and to me, Argentina here then qualify and so to me Eric Okoman. But another game and also too was France Poland. Young Poland more than more group anymore. And then Chera M20. The likes of Robert Lewandowski, Zielinski, Mo, Abranti, and the Arkadiusz Milik, Mo, I'm born in Chera M20. It's in an eye obvious there. Amaya and the other France, Ebenya victory over Poland. And indeed, yes, Omunyan could be over Poland. The likes of Kylian Mbappe, Mo, Media grow when it comes to World Cup. And yeah, they are Mbappe, Ebedia grow. And that game was not Olivier Giroud. And a goal to become the all-time top scorer at the French national team. No, yes, or step up a boss I go no, and then Olivier Giroud the all-time top scorer at the French national team. Mbappe and there 2 goals at the count. I mean, also announcing the presence in the World Cup. HSA, yes, in the previous World Cup, he won the youngest player. This time around, or the best player in the World Cup into Juma. France to Michel Poland 3-1, and yes, now means me okay with it because you do say you need the bigger teams. And I said the big boys in the tournament. Into the France, if you walk up at this stage and time see. And the history about defending champions and how they struggle to even qualify to the quarterfinals and the semis. But France and so on, it's my idea with people the quarterfinals. England against Senegal. Now Africa, he hopes in say Anka Senegal a bit to pull up surprise against the 3 Lions. But Okoman is England. It's me 3-0. And England born and your boy Senegal into me no. You people might say Senegal MSA the services of Brandt and the Sadio Mane. Yes, indeed. In this tournament, what chances are Senegal a creative and Brandt and the Sadio Mane. I was our team where I don't think Zanga Senegal able to me even lose to a single game because not chances almost crazy. But the top man or the player utilizes our chances and now he wasn't in a team playing against England. England they use a lot of experience and the English team now watch it. The likes of Hurricane, Phil Foden, and our 99.9% of this squad are born in the English Premier League. So, with the exception of Abranti and the Jude Bellingham, and the ball, our Germany, Edinburgh, Borussia Dortmund. Into this English Premier League, and they understand the tactics and formation of their coach, Gareth Southgate. Into the beating Senegal, to me, or to we Africans, we felt so disappointed. Say, on the continent, you're champions, to me, a few more on that stage, but you can't take it away from the English team. They deserve to win, and indeed they won very, very, very well. Another game I told you, and I know Jordan was a match. Nah, Kobia. Okay. Me say that me fan tour. Yes, it was Japan-Croatia. It was such an interesting game, and also so much Japan coming into the round of 16. Not Germany, Spain. And I think so. Germany, Spain, and I think one other country. Costa Rica. Yes, the first game was against Germany. It was down by a lone goal in the first half. Japan came back and won the game against Germany by 2-1. Their second game against Costa Rica. No, be any say Obia was Germany 2-1 there against Costa Rica and there. Obia say 4-4 or qualify. But surprisingly, Costa Rica ever said Japan 1-0. I remember Denmark, Japan, and all the teams in that group. Because now Japan lose here, now Spain so no acquired about against Germany at Spain Abenya 4. And Spain last man, not Japan ever, but Japan needed that win. It's in a big game. Now Costa Rica saw 3. Costa Rica last match on Germany. Germany saw 1. Germany was the last match in Costa Rica. Omunina he win. It's no bia all group no here win to qualify. But Japan last game against Spain and make sure so best Spain from that same and similar near Messi in their first game against Germany. In the first half they were losing 1-0. They came back in the second half and won 2-1 against Spain. And it tells you that Japan on so coming into the game against Croatia, now Croatia are finding it difficult in their group. Everyone draw Bini there until the last match in their group. No, them a qualifier by and it tells you that another thing. But Croatia used to experience. In 2018, after some qualify out of their group, Croatia in the round of 16 about 120 minutes. In the quarterfinals, about 120 minutes. In the semi-finals, about 120 minutes until the grand finale. And you know, Abraham who start pairing with, I felt that yes, Croatia. And what didn't anyone is that the likes of Luka Modric, the likes of Kovacic, Rantia, yes, I'm born a ball. But I say, I want to contain this Japanese, you know, and say, Yanko Biemu Bibri, Yanko Bo, my Japan for any use more pace, and I was trying to find and find so they sat back, defended very well. And nobody game no call extra time. Penalties there, as we all know, it will be any game. And Croatia, it may win on penalties against Japan. And I was a little bit disappointed in the Japanese, looking at how they played in their subsequent and as in their previous matches. Now the big game was Brazil, South Korea, the Samba boys, the Selecao of Brazil. Man for a 30 elbow within say they will win the World Cup. Looking at their squad, Omukura. Yes, goalkeeping aspect, 3 goalkeepers. Alisson Becker of Liverpool, Edison Morales of Manchester City, and Weverton of Palmeiras. And also these goalkeepers, Obia is starter on the club. Obia is starter. You have a certain Man City goalkeeper or the bench of Brazil. Oba defender, your Thiago Silva, your Marquinhos, Eder Militao, Alex Telles, Abrantia Nidin, and so that Bremer, Alexandro. These are players. Obia also started on the club side, and clubs are moving a top club. Thiago Silva, Chelsea. Obama Marquinhos, Paris Saint-Germain. Bremer, Juventus. Danilo, Juventus. Alexandro, Juventus. These are players on your status in their clubs. But a Uche squad on the room, a bit to bench, a bit more. Now in midfield, Fabinho, Liverpool, or bench. South here. And they have Casemiro starting. They have Branton and Lucas Paqueta. Omunya players are Omujinamu, Edema Brazil. Up front, Rodrigo. Rodrigo, Real Madrid. Then you have Brazil at the bench. Oh, Anthony at the bench. South here. Oh, Abranton Vinicius Ewum. Oh, Rafinha. And now the poster boy himself. Abranton Eddie Neymar Ewum. Oh, Gabriel Martinelli. Our bench. Gabriel Jesus was a top player. Elma Arsenal at the bench. Brazil. And Charles said almost squad. No, Abrante Richarlison, the call up into the national team was criticized by many people. Then said they felt say Abrante and him Roberto Firmino deserve to be in the squad than Abrante and him Richarlison. But in a tournament, Richarlison proved he said Ampa deserve that call up. And so far in about 4 matches, was 3 goals in this tournament, and also Abrante. So against South Korea, now me and so to South Korea 4-1 because they were looking favorites, or they were the favorite team to win that game. And home to Michelle South Korea 4-1. It was a big game, though, but my own money look is so simple for all of us. In the first half, no South Korea 4. So it was such an interesting game. And Brazil, to me, a winner. Enra. One of the most exciting biggest game in the tournament, was a Morocco and Spain. Yes, Spain struggled in their group stages, but Morocco in the group consisted of Ayomaya Nidin. Was Morocco, Omaya Nidin, Croatia, Belgium, and and Canada. Morocco topped that group. And that was the second time in the history of Africa, a World Cup participation, an African country to me at top way back, I think 98 somewhere, Nigeria, to me top group. This was the second time in Morocco or an African country to my top group. And I'm by any Spain boy. You such an interesting game and I enjoy it. It went straight to penalties, and Morocco showed more class against La Roja of Spain. Over them, Portugal and Switzerland. You move in the Portugal. Yes, a certain Cristiano Ronaldo was on a bench for Portugal, but to make sure say every year 6-1 against Switzerland. I enjoy such an interesting round of 16. Goes in a buy, and indeed we've separated the boys from the men. I can't remember. Round of 16 pair, it's my quarterfinals pair, and shall say Friday. It didn't say before that game, and those matches. Ebenya Kunya, Edwin come to Krobia, my round of 16 accession, and I didn't check a and also no area banono.
Okay, I know AK, the worst player, Hanani, what Danny in Semua, Ediogum, Ama be to me, I come solo, Yanshe, baby, also Sabri Watu Niama, me say watch Niama be or her, just one cousin. Why you ready, Youngque?
All right, Krobia, my yenchi here for every na yenchi almost sharing on Facebook. Now, happy birthday, so I'm confirm Ziggy B. Ziggy and birthday, you know. Happy birthday. And confirm a champion.
Champion
man.
Yes. What the
chief technician. Yes,
yes. Uncle, yes, sorry,
some yes.
Birthday, Cassia, and comma. And confirm Ziggy.
Second 15 or
Ezro Ziggy go out 10 minutes to cry.
Yeah. Or
champion Ziggy.
Yes.
Happy birthday. Yes, confirm.
Okoman our social media platforms in
Ziggy. Pictures are you with now. Krabia 56 matches so far. 148 goals. As a goals in a bank especially in your goals no round of 16 sumupa Portugal baba beshe 6 goals na yenya Brazil on also a share 4 they are calling that as a goals in there so what cup no emu to me there and also round of 16 matches are to me to go starting from Netherlands, United States of America. On paper, I can say Netherlands stand a looking favorite. That game and Palmer talk also and we coach Louis van Gaal. After I saw about World Cup, now your man said that enko ye and your bonnechi Netherlands chromo but take that game or boy against a US of A no. Emma will be able to say yes. About experience when you move and national team coaching there. Experienced coaches and the kita national teams no eno coaches are omabo bra e coaching mo no na de adwuma no mo Van Gaal kire wi ase nyina se eba no coaching na wano so te ase ye na ye hu players na kita Netherlands e wo mo se United States ekita that youthful players no Christian Pulisic, Yunus Musa no Adams ye na ye hu ye McKennie one performance no almost at the air boy, but then you don't to me the likes of Memphis Depay, Frankie de Jong, she clubs are almost airborne. Memphis from Barcelona, Frankie de Jong from Barcelona, Virgil van Dijk every Liverpool, and we had Timbers are almost players are about dash leg, you know, and modern money are there. I was thrown to some players with them. Not there's nowhere United States of America able to me a German. So and Amponsah football. I kind of crowd. A year 3-1 in favor of Netherlands. And modern one to me a pajama. My almost qualifier. Eco PM and so our quarterfinals. You know Australia, Russia, Argentina, and that game no. Now you said then who Argentina team near year to say on my last game on my boy our group stage them and no that win no to me a boy and one qualifier ABC Australia or round of 16 and no musha no so game Argentina and final to omo ebre there almost say omunya that victory no but Australia and some Argentina game and they could be actually no Lionel Messi and then Emrante no enya that needed the results no 2-1 at the qualifier ahead of Omaya Didin inside Australia. Now game back will be actually France, Poland because Poland performance group stage no last game at the Argentina a group stage but Argentina now qualify at the air and now Lewandowski performance no and said that kan here tournament no ye FM a Polish team no and I players Nikita France and so am so the last time your ball World Cup Emma France winning Russia the year 2018 that team no a lot of players no egusu eka team no we be pemene entini na ye hwese sen na be ko Lewandowski sen and obe match France defense no and we have France and so on attack no the likes of Kylian Mbappe, Olivier Giroud, afi Abrante de Ousmane Dembele sen omonso omde be wuram and so what that game no and so emutina that game no obia hwe nim say ebekwa kosisen but baby no na 3-1 in favor of France and France and so nya that qualification no at the buy na ye hwe Senegal ebe qualify ahead of England and na ye hwe Senegal modern na omoda na di group stage nim no omo qualify by round of 16 ebe kwasan and so to me the amom omo koshia England and omo share England no ohia squad de kita England compare player to player Senegalese players no a lot of them no our experience as English players no untumi nkan chem say Idris Agana Gay e ba no say Medford experience yembo ball na ye bibia Jude Bellingham our their experience no as Idris Agana Gay Jude Bellingham ebenya their experience in the Arsenal but still omo talk also ebe ye adwuma ne ye na ye hu Phil Foden ye hu Abraham did the Hurricane so onya that goal no at the Emma Senegal and a year no 3-0 and almost share Senegal and now Oshe Kalidou Koulibaly with an experience chironom at the Emma Senegal mine now we have Sabali no ball and no more ball at the Emma Senegal mine and can expect a game wa emube den at the Emma England but they do so no now Senegal almost shut down more ball serious be out that game name Emma England and we need by 3-0 Japan share Croatia Croatia game Emma game no travel to penalties and Japan they to me the qualifier and so to me ahead of the Croatia Yebenya Brazil oche the South Korea share no 4-1 and that game na said there was no way South Korea able to me amateur Brazil boot for boot but per kakra no my our group stage now will be our then and that's when they say South Korea able to me about Bema Brazil a game to me I have Brazil our that game now Brazil so on group stage match and all my bono no man share down soon convincing yen bebre because now want to me and share more than 2 goals now what share 2 goals and then the second match up or boy our tournament in the last game our group stage Olusuye Edema Cameroon by a goal to nothing and now you who say South Korea betumi about game no more kakra and so ekwe actually no Brazil chere say yes omu kita memma no and ba no ball no a omu te ase omu da na wunya no omu kra so ombebo footballer ombebo because players kita Brazil no what the Brazil team no compare other teams no also players Brazil dey na no yeshe omu te bench no players who various clubs almost started and so to me at the mama oba mu goalkeeper na Alisson Becker okita number 1 goalkeeper the Manchester City and the Edison Moraes or not a bench and all your top notch goalkeeper or also on the day so be that goal position when the performance will come kaya obetumi abo adwuma and so to me the aboa or my and the Brazil and the about the defense the players omo e boy e the Brazil Thiago Silva with an experience Marquinhos hwe adwuma na wo ye e the Brazil Alex Telles no mu nya bi mo omo te bench but oko Sevilla Alex Telles a starter at the Sevilla team no from Manchester United that wo ko wura mu e was Sevilla and wo hwe Danilo a Abrantie bia or started at the Juventus Alexandro obebo akakra so na oko injury ono so a player oko Juva or started and some players we no mu na no players o ma bom ho ache Alexandro Danilo any name na ball was Santos so no mu ni mo ho ansa no mu di wura mu ewo omu youth side esande ba abe pm ewo national team no the Brazil team no de omu yankrofo bi o ma bom ho ache and omu nim how okwa mo be fa so enso esi o makanti na be den ama South Korea na 4-1 and Brazil etumi di dan konim no ewo Morocco and Spain Morocco so nya qualification no and Portugal enso benya oya quarter final stage na I no mo obi e share nim say na be kwa wie Netherlands Argentina oya bola Netherlands for boy round of 16 ball Argentina boy round of 16 two teams no player to player obia kita squad no obia also kita an experienced coaches and so also compare coaches ni mienu a why and was already and akayebe obia be Luis Van Gaal because compare Van Gaal to Lionel Scaloni of Argentina o de Van Gaal to no one on men who baby and no so also we here and the Obaka said Netherlands ahead of Oman the Argentina but that game no easy game and me come on as me predict here make I say a bad in the Argentina in that game no Netherlands able to me qualify ahead of Argentina to me qualify Morocco Portugal ye na ye hu omudwumadi omudi from group stage round of 16 and dry ye Morocco so adwuma omo so omo ye ansa na omo ba be pamo mu coach kura no e ba be wuram enso so World Cup omo eba eno so omo madem omo di wuram Morocco over Africa waje chan the club ekwaje Champions League ekwaje Confederation Cup Women's AFCON ni nyina no mu wura mu so football no Oma tiase and Oma to Tom ni Oma ye nom de aba bepia ebe ye den e de ama Portugal na ya dia Portugal be qualify kura e honom no ombenya na easy and so e honom nti wo de time no yem face na fe yem hwe na yemra efie na yemra bedin komo e honom na ya boa ye ho pa
yem fancy na yem bedin komo enso e wo fie ampa I think say Ushemu 42 pass of 1 and tina you're barely less than 18 minutes bina yeri jumedi nso to me a day albane we live on Okoman 97.1 Okoman Global Sports and I gusua biade ho nsem no ebanu yasane ababe si from we free amonone ye be hwe efie nkomo nso kakra and also our Black Stars wo issues and I think say ye be tackle no one after the other ochina na another day ye ba betena se ne ahwe nsem dodo na chan mrantie no so ewo ho sanso ana bet power league and also ehon semo eho ba for now said ye ni nemu okata ne ade ade yen hwe ye national team no eho no man ni nyina yen so de nsika eta akopa ope ade ba ko a eta bo man Ghana from ye pa financially a untumi nka ade bia enyi Black Stars in free word da na so mfa so papa bia nso no enhye da in free word enso emba ntino ye behwe Black Stars now yakasa bia the way forward yakasa bia otoado okosisi aye ni coach the next coach Obebano and be the fourth appointment under the 3.5 years regime under the current FA president Kurt Years Okreku the first tenure yeba benya yen fourth coach for our national team. Okay. Yenche Black Stars the way forward coaching aspect now yakwaba I think say said ya Keto Kreku na beka no negatives no yang aka more because ono no hu bibia say the moment a won kan favor Stars no na so ono na edwuma o ye ne de na ye negative nti no negatives no ye raise bia can be fine yen hwe de ekoye ni because always bia no solution e better ye ko afcon kogu ye hu animu ase wo mu se solution amanfo kan solution ni bia kire say coach ayede ni koyi nyina anye ba wo amfa sisi a wo mu san ko ba wo se solution na ye de dodo Black Stars management committee member Samuel Sekufo baby I'm meeting but eke yanko
well Kobe Black Stars in some I think say Brennan you born into China still you be remember Black Stars cause issues banner but one of the most useless yes it will be doing say kind of one of the most useless decision the FA the Ghana Football Association the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the government itself, and make here and say, I'm to appoint coach Otuado as the head coach of the Black Stars at the call World Cup, and one of the most useless decisions that you take here as a country by appointing Otuado. And in the appointment of Otuado, after say Ghana, you win here against Nigeria in a qualifiers. Yes, Obi Aniaji, a bought some Obi Ajin Samba, Ghana qualify. That day was the birthday of His Excellency, the President of our land, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Into the Nigerian Muna presidency, oh, you keep the technical team. So it means the FA cannot change the decision of the president. The Ministry of Youth and Sport cannot change the decision of the president. Into the saying in us or mine, jitum. But ye bizarre due diligence, and we should ask ourselves, a due diligence, and His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now, on him so to do better my Jumana, and is it because you qualify here in Nigeria, but out of excitement, you point to Addo. See, now Keto Kreku in Crawford can say, young positives, nibi solutions, and any dear wine. Obina can ask them solutions, nibi, and say you won't appoint a useless coach into your national team. Favoritism ni be year free wo so that as here onyan twehwe anim player nim mo na wa frɛ no so o frɛ player onim mo a be affect team na o frɛ player onim mo a one of the solutions offer quality and experienced coach one of the solutions and you won't appoint Otuado as your head coach then use Chris Hughton so technical advisor. It doesn't make sense. Obi our coach Newcastle, or coach Tottenham, or coach Brighton in the English Premier League, or not your technical advisor, and will be a scout Edema Borussia Dortmund. O training Borussia upper players. Edema Borussia Dortmund no. What by any say head coach Edema senior national team. There's no way you can go to a tournament and win. Now, yen controversies about after say ye announce your squad going into the World Cup. Up to the Barbara Man. Yes, Obi and what time Barbara Man. Barbara Man Upe Black Star, my favorite players. He's part of my favorite players. But the thing is, how can you appoint and I say call Barbara Man and Abrante and Gideon Mensah and leave Jeffrey Schlupp? Not say the opposition one Baba to me mbo. Baba Upe one of the best left backs at Ghana Yenya Baba Kaon. But you have a certain Jeffrey Schlupp or a versatile. Obetima about the left back, Obetima about the central midfield, Obetima about the left wing back, Obetima about right wing back. Any position I did Jeffrey Schlupp better on Obebo. So why don't you call Jeffrey Schlupp? They don't to me friend because Ofio say only the agency issue, Ofio say on the player no issue, only the manager issue, so you won't call personal interest. And the national team greed. Our national team no FO Oko kan yesu didi obi atem. Obi an didi obi atem o. What Fred Fatau Shayaku and Waja Joseph Pencil? Does it make sense? Yakoka is here, did you be at them? Samuel Osekufu, I respect him so much. Yes, I remember say Borussia Dortmund for buy and I was able to meet him at a stadium. I respect him so much. But see, on to me, my country and say, young positives and then meme negatives. No, the better negatives, no, okay negative now. That's when you learn from it. Positive, bang. Ansa na mwa beko walk away. Then young kanchira mo se mo mfo to ado enko young kanchira mo. Young kanchira mo se mo mfa the lives some players being called. Why are you dropping Joseph Pinto? Coach to ado your announcement of the squad. You be sad and say adentina wa dropping Joseph Pinto and Jeffrey Schlupp. As a man of guy. Although to me me chire Ezan say akwa say oba ne okuna sem. Okan we bring the don't me chire players our friend no our friend. And now yakobo one of our worst World Cups. One of our worst. Do you think that 2014 the NAS ana? This year. Yes, we won a game in 2014. We didn't win. But this year, we share the money involved in terms of preparation. Yes, the Kawura team no. You say your ball qualifies. You might saying $12 million. Say I send Nigeria, you know, $12 million. And again, you're somewhere $15 million. Say you're fine, prepare your own World Cup. You could get $10 million for government of Ghana. You get $2 million from MTN. You get $2 million if you get $2 million if you. It is a kappa dear Yamo movie. But look at the abysmal performance on Modemai. So we'll talk about the negatives. We'll talk about it. And in some way, see what Black Star Camp or Qatar. Yes. FNN government Nangasa Nipo Modekwa does to same players Nangasa. Players, you know, you're afraid 26 players. But we say F, you know, officials on a no more saying. I'm the girlfriends yes. I'm out for the girlfriends so I'm going support the team. Meanwhile, the players needed much focus, concentration. Now come on the about tournaments. You swear you want to go. You go you made now over the technical team of the Black Stars are. Yeah, point 22 technical staffs and they call tournaments. 22 technical staff. Your video analyst for me, you know. You say a fitness coach. You say a trainer. You are 22. Impact we no make here. We don't want to talk much. The American say now we should dissolve the technical team of the Black Stars. Dissolve the management committee of the FA. Because those people are never under 90. There's no difference. Under 90. We can see leadership on an assessor. But nipa na shesha say under 90. No more. Some of them go for no money under 90. Now they are dia. And Keto Kreku, on van change team say next year you elections or kobium. It was minim or kobium. Into my man no say or compensating go for into one on to abandon their man. See, Black Stars. In Yampai bo, me can say. But come be out there. Me gather information you me me gather information me from all angles. Exclusive. Me drop it. Ewa ha. Nyama course of Black Star come journalist be won send something ade ewura mu. Ewa ha na yes suspect journalist be say or informant at the South Korea. Ni nyina no yenim. F no threaten is on born and the no. Then you're an him. So I tell you, I'm a power and I bring a connect from Sunya Quamrum.
Well, no ne kakra yake dia to go and so yen senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana hona ubetumi afre sabria eko ubetumi afre 0551 667755 0551 667755 now so wetumi achre wadwen ewo homa bibi etumi aye kama 0551 667755 na also wetumi afre na nioma anso etumi aye kama anti no. Solo kankakre
Black Stars issue there come I want to me nka say ye ja negative no me aka positive nko yes you call World Cup no positives AC and at least ye nya kra no so say metumi aka dem sense me bo say ye nya right back our Black Stars solid one Ali Disedo after John Pencil Harrison Afo Samuel Nkum no time no twa mu no na ye brewo that area no but say betumi aka dey yen say e bo say Ali Disedo abefa that position no ye betumi aka dey yen say e bo say ye nya certain Salis Adams Salis Samed obetumi agina that defensive midfield role no e dey ma Ghana e betumi aka dey yen say e bo obobo ye e dey ma yen e wo tournament na say ye betumi aka say Mohamed Salisu the modern monom e kon kan de ma Black Stars enti obetumi agina akire ho e dey ma yen sanso ne betumi aka say Daniel Amate wo hwie e wa akire ho tournament na yakoye ne yena yehu Amate eni betumi aka so say Baba Rahman so emfa e wo ho positives ne baaye ena negative ni wom and yet to be make a positive no kwa enka se ye ja negative no until say so o me yomunyo ye no ye nja negative no so kan da and then they say Ketiye Sokraku Ghana Football Association president any Samuel Sekufo oh no ye executive member de my Black Stars
ma menfa obi e wa homa iso Hello. Good afternoon. We didn't baby akasa free.
Good afternoon. We didn't be Oku Francis, me free Abuasa, Dennis Kitchen.
Yentio.
Yo. Work up na yakwa na ngazano. Ya before ever ko work up na ngazano, me ka do BSc. Yem group na ngazano, me share yem performance na. You didn't know few group na yakwa next but I say Korea for the my hopes no course but name performance ni nya bit me qualify. Like Ghana for nya hope say ba o me say team ko say Uruguay. No to Uruguay no so ye share ne da. Say hopes ni nya nya ma gidi no course so. Ni nya ka ho bi na blaster performance e ko form no ni nya obi nya bro heart but enya hwe yen ka team no mum yen script team because we should teams na ebo na. Be players na gba ache. Won bi when the we bo ha no akofa no ngeja we. Obi wo wabo o ne club ko te bench so ko na say team ahobo stem bia woni mo ho and say na see Ghana his team ye na at least players wo team boche wa sakura na te ne bench e lusu a ko friend call up no wa ba no so ba bo e say stem bia team work na e wo ho na say Ghana e train for what na say no wo say no be no what to nyama that one say
okay and also Ugu Francis there and also e dia ba intino solo to aso
under Ketokreku yako tournament 2 Nina ye fail. And today now Pastor Yanka wa fail as a president. Yako AFCON 2021 year. Yen group a ye woman yen ye re Emma Comoros as a Ghana. Ye free hope e besin ko World Cup. Yen performance no e kwa ye ko World Cup na say enye say ye win one match ni ti ya radio. Performance ni ye ko and tournament way and tournament ay di sika e di wura team nim performance na amfa o ma fail yen as an association e te wo say ye kan yen nyina ye kan wa ha say coach na yɛde ne kɔ tournament no ɔnyɛ coach a wɔbɛboa yɛn etu ɔmo nsesa no ɔmo kasa no mpefee sɛ world cup na yɛkɔ no results ebɛfiri mu aba no enie ne yɛbɛbɛɛ nie results a yɛbɛnya no ɛno a ne yɛnya no results papa bi ɛma against South Korea ɛyɛ nyame win ɛne yɛnya ayɛ no ɛnyɛ team ne performance bi ako ɛyɛ nyame win ɛne yɛnya against South Korea etu ɔmo tutu ne ɔmo yie 40 years Ghana yɛgye AFCON 40 years eti Ghana for Petrophy agye ukɔ AFCON ukɔ toto paapaa so yɛn ka sɛ kɔgye World Cup but yɛkɔ World Cup no so hwɛ ne ɔmo ekwesi yɛ hwɛ yɛn performance against Uruguay we need a point to qualify point o ɛyɛ 3 points just a point yɛkɔ bɔɔl basa ɛna Uruguay ahyɛ yɛn Ghana fo nkɔ ɔmo ano ntum yɛn nkanya no ntum eti solution ni na ne sɛ ɔmo yɛ ne ɔmo yie Chris Wuti no sɛ wɔn ahwan no ma yɛn fo bia kora yɛ Blasters coach yɛn kɔ pɛ nipa foforɔ free baby obi bɛka sɛ Chris Wuti ɔyɛ technical adviser yes ɔka coach ne power bɛfa ɔpa wɔnfa but woyɛ den a woka team no ho sɛ woka ne yɛnfa den ti na woka yɛ yɛnfa nti ɔmo na yɛn yi ɔmo nsi nkyɛn yɛn kɔfa nipa foforɔ coach a obetumi abɔ yɛ yɛhia quality coach players no wɔ hɔ yɛhia quality coach now as an association ɔmo tutu ɔmo nneɛma yie na ɔmo ngyae wɔyɛ madamfo wɔyɛ minua wɔyɛ sei no ɛno yɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɛbɛboa yɛn football no.
Okay, ɛno ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɛbɛboa Ghana football ɛbra so sɛ yɛde dwumadie no nso ɛbɛtumi aba na ɛwieɛ na dwumadie foforɔ nso ɛtumi atoa so ɛwɔ ha no mo 58 minutes past the hour of 1 ɛnna kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ kwaa no eke sɛ yɛ kwaa no
yɛkɔ still na kyena yɛbɛba afei nya ne ɔmo wie nti no kyena yɛbɛba na ɛde exclusives more aba nneɛma ɛkɔ so Black Star Company nya pictures videos ne nyinaa no nneɛma kɔ so nti no ne nyinaa yɛrebɛba videos no ɛbɛshow ama amanfo ahu nti no amanfo nso ɛnya abotrɛ Black Stars issues wɔ yɛkɔ yɛn wish Ziggy happy birthday
yes
Ziggy happy birthday na kenkamefo no nso aba nti
all right, yɛbɛda obi bia ase executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson ba for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajeman AK Sanso Ana Pa Solo Paradise DJ Ziggy and John McFadden wɔn nyinaa ɛboaye DJ Donzi wɔn obi bia nso no etumi ɛboaye ama dwumadie no nso no etumi ɛkɔnkan kama yɛbɛsɔre so ama yɛn de kinkan me fo no nso aba na wɔn ɛde dwumadie no etumi aba to aso yakra obi bia